How to create a skill text animation with property in After Effects. This text effect is very clean and versatile, suitable for nearly any project. But how do you create it? Let's dive right into the video. First, we need to create text. Use the type tool, which you can access with the shortcut Ctrl+T. Click on the preview screen, type the desired text and position it where you prefer. I placed mine in the center using the align tool. Next, expand the text layer. Click on the animation button and select tracking to start. Now let's add more properties. Click on the add button here and choose opacity and scale. It's time to animate them with keyframes. Set the scale to 0. Expand the arrange selector and create a keyframe at the beginning for start. 10. Move a bit further in the timeline and create another keyframe for start, setting its value to 100%. The animation looks good, but to smooth it out, apply easy ease to the keyframes by using the shortcut F9. Then open the graph editor. For a smooth result, follow my graph. You can also adjust it slightly by dragging. Is it too slow for you? Easily adjust the timing by holding the Alt key, selecting both keyframes and dragging them closer together. If you prefer the beginning to be fast and the end slow, reverse the process as I did. If you want this effect at the end as well, simply reverse the procedure. Copy the keyframes using Ctrl+C for copy and Ctrl+V for paste. To add more impact, apply scaling at both the beginning and end. Open the scale keyframes by selecting the text layer and pressing S. Create a keyframe at the beginning with a value of 0 and a bit later change it to 100. Apply easy ease by selecting the keyframes and pressing F9. Then visit the value graph editor and follow my graph for a smooth scale. Feel free to experiment for the best result. Adjust the duration of the keyframes by selecting them, holding Alt and dragging them closer or further apart as needed. To apply this effect at the end, copy and paste the keyframes, starting with 100 and then 0 at the end. This time, use the speed graph editor for smooth scale at the end. Experiment with the graph as needed. Don't forget to enable motion blur for a smoother result. And there you have it. You've successfully created a stunning text animation with property in After Effects. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.